mountain passes to valleys, forests and trails of adventure, no matter where the road takes you in the Mini Autohome. The car I'm driving at the moment is this, a Mini Countryman, but I'm not here to show you that. I've done a full review before and the link will be in the description below. What I'm in fact here to show you is a full-on adventure set in the woods, a camping trip done with some very special add-ons, the Mini Autohome. When it comes to simple camping, done easy, no pegs, no hammers, just easy, arrive and within 5 minutes get it up there and ready to go, the Mini Autohome does it simply but yet elegant. You unlatch this attachment here, you push from either end, there comes the back coming up, same from the front, and within seconds it's fully upright and you're ready to begin camping. You've got these little clever hatches here, entry and exit. You put the ladder out, which is done with ease, and this attaches to make it into your portable home on the go. The Mini is ready to begin enjoying your camping experience and ultimately enjoying for 2 people. This is what it's like when you're seated up here within the tent area. This is where I've spent some time and it really is very comfortable. As you can see, if we look around in the Mini Autohome, you get some clever nifty little storage compartments above your head, the likes of pillows. I've got these storage nets at the side to put your goods and your belongings, and I've even got this nifty camping light. It's ultimately really comfortable and you could put 2 people easily sleeping in here. Autohome is really quite something by Mini. It's a full 2-man tent up here, possibly 3, and ultimately you've got the comfort of go anywhere ability